Optimizing your social media profiles, a step-by-step guide. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your social media profiles in a step-by-step guide. Your social media profiles are your online storefronts. They're the first thing people see when they come across you on social media, so it's important to make sure they're optimized. Here are a few tips on how to do that. 1. Choose a strong username. Your username should be easy to remember and relevant to your brand. 2. Add a profile picture. Your profile picture should be high quality and professional. 3. Write a bio. Your bio should be short, sweet, and informative. It should tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. 4. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to get your content seen by more people. When you use relevant hashtags, your posts will show up in search results for those hashtags. 5. Post high-quality content. The content you post on social media should be high quality and engaging. This means posting content that is relevant to your target audience, informative, and visually appealing. 6. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. It's not just about posting content, but also about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments and questions, participate in conversations, and run contests and giveaways. 7. Be consistent. The best way to build a following on social media is to be consistent with your posting. Try to post at least a few times a day, and be sure to engage with other users' posts. 8. Be patient. It takes time to build a following on social media. Don't expect to see results overnight. Just keep posting great content, engaging with other users, and using the tips I've mentioned, and you'll eventually start to see your follower count grow. Optimizing your social media profiles takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it. By following the tips I've mentioned, you can start to see results quickly. Just keep posting great content, engaging with other users, and using the tips I've mentioned, and you'll eventually see your social media profiles reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to put these tips into practice and optimize your social media profiles. If you want hands-on help with your social media content and strategy, reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help.